Have any seats left?
I think it's just about to leave.
Too late? Is this where the line starts?
Yes.
Awesome, thank you.
As we arrive at the station, please continue to remain seated and aboard the train. Then, once we come to a full and complete stop, please listen for the words "all clear." That will be your cue that it's safe for you to disembark the train. So then, please stay seated and wait for the all clear. Thank you. Stay seated, folks.
Welcome aboard.
Thank you.
It's going in this direction. Feel free to sit wherever you like. Will be those 7 seats towards the back of each car to face front suite.
Board!
Looks like we're on our way, and I'm so glad to have you with us. This train's headed straight for Main Street, U.S.A. We'll head on back to Fantasyland after that. Stay seated and keep your hands and arms. We've been ready to train. Oh, please permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren. Y cuide a los pequeños. Gracias. Next stop is a place that's always ahead of the curve. And not yet the cross train. Tomorrowland. And no one on this trip got as much as the songbird loves. And I'm still falling by the rock.
Calculating.
makes intergalactic travel possible. So simple once you hear it, right? Yes, sirree, in this place of boundless optimism, the possibilities are endless. You might say the sky's the limit, but even that is no obstacle in Tomorrowland. Almost complete. And though it was brief, I can't thank you enough for spending part of your day with me. And I hope you've enjoyed your journey as much as I've appreciated being a part of it. We're now approaching our most charming destination, Main Street, USA. A place where the only thing sweeter than the townsfolk is the treats. After this, we'll circle back to Fantasyland. My apron, this will be your stop. For now, stay seated until our train comes to a complete stop. Then pick up your belongings and carefully disembark. If you have strollers to unfold, please take them all the way beyond the platform so new passengers can safely hop aboard. It'd be mighty kind of you. And while we're being neighborly, what say we give our fellow travelers a friendly wave hello? This is Main Street Station. Welcome to Main Street, USA.
After we arrive at the station, we just go into the fully board the train until the train comes to a full stop. And you hear the words all clear. Until you've heard those two words, remain seated and aboard the train. You know it is safe for you.
Perfect timing.